You know, a little bit of personalization to your wedding ceremony and celebration, I think, is a great way of acknowledging your guests that are coming to this special moment in your life. Now, this welcome sign, I think, is a great way to say we're so happy to have you here, and it can be placed on the stand. But if you notice, right down here, I added the name of the bride and the groom. You can also add the date of your wedding celebration. This to me is just a great place where your guest book might be, or just the front door when you're arriving into the location. But now it's time to add the colors, the textures, the detail, the style of your wedding, which always should be sort of seen from the very beginning of the day to the very end, including the signs. So I have some faux flowers, soft blush, ranunculus, a little bit of lilac, and I'm going to cut the stems, and I'm going to take a little bit of the lilac, some more ranunculus. You know, many people are very worried about working with flowers, both real and faux, but this is very simple. Just cluster them together and try to give them a little bit of different height and have them bend out just a little bit to give it space. I'm going to add the lilac to this around the outside. Take the wire and just do a simple spin about 2 to 3 times around it, so they stay secure. And if you want to add a little bit more, you can certainly add some more. And this is what happens. You're adding clusters of the flowers that might be seen in the bride or the bridesmaid's bouquet, or even the centerpieces on the table. When it's done, you can add a little bit of chiffon ribbon, add that to that, and I bent this down. Kind of looks like it's falling over because it's just going to get placed like that over the sign. I made one that's just a little bit larger, and this can be placed down along the bottom. Something so simple, so easy to do, is a great way to welcome your guests to your wedding.
Subscribe to our channel and share your projects using the hashtag #MakeItWithMichaels.